A color palette, our rooms in your house in that color palette. What I have created is a shopping guide for all the 27 different decodna personality types. A shopping guide for type 2. It has a little bit about your type. This is a cool part because this explains your sister styles and have 3 preferences. If you only change one of them, this gives you pictures of what happens. It gives you a list of other interior design styles that match your type. It gives you pictures in all of those interior design styles. Color palettes. So if you've ever wondered what your style would look like in different color palettes, this will show you. It gives you a color palette, our rooms in your house in that color palette. And then there's a checklist on how to achieve a minimal, moderate, or a maximal space. There's fixture inspiration. So you can take this guide to the store and look for things that match this. All of these are linked and it takes you to Amazon and buy that exact line. And at the very end of the book, there's links to more books for you to get more inspiration. It took me a very long time to create them. There's 27 different personality types. That's a lot of books. And there's a link to all of the guides